Hello everyone, this is Darren from ConeMac. In this video, I will introduce our Cummins QST30-C1050 engine repowering project for Central Asia business partner, which is delivered in the March of 2025. Cummins QST30 serial industrial engine is a V12 engine with 30.5-liter displacement. The overall dimension of Cummins QST30 series industrial engine is 1855mm by 1327mm by 1647mm, and the dry weight is about 3,328 kg. The rated power is 391 kW at 2100 RPM, and the fuel consumption is about 84 liters per hour. This engine is purchased to replace the original QST30 engine that used in Delay's mining dump truck, based on customers' original engine nameplate. We supplying exactly same engine for customer that original produced in Cummins USA engine plant. As the professional construction equipment power solution provider, ConeMac provide one-stop solution for our global partners, from our solution design to engine supply, from transportation to installation and commissioning. Our Cummins industrial engines can be used for different construction equipment, mining dump trucks including Delays, Komatsu, Hitachi, Volvo, Liebherr, etc. We supply not only standard replacement engine, but also V-power solution with Chinese brand diesel engine, which can reduce the purchasing cost by 30 to 70%. In the meantime, ConeMac provides EV electromotor repowering solution, which converting the diesel construction equipment into electromotor-driven EV machine, and can greatly reduce the operating costs and lower down the pollutions of the machines.
Committed to providing reliable premium power system for global construction machinery manufacturer, ConeMac is a sub-brand of the EMAC Group that focuses on construction machinery application, based on dozens of world-class renowned diesel engine manufacturing resources in China, as well as relevant construction machinery transmission and hydraulic supporting component suppliers. ConeMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. ConeMac's products range are Caterpillar, Cummins, Deutz, CAMC, Weichai, and other well-known brands of construction machinery engines, related accessories, and complete power pack. Our products are widely used in mining, metallurgy, loading and unloading, airport, forklift, oil and gas, etc.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact ConeMac at any time. For more details about our company, products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.ConeMac.com.